Hi guys, today Daddy and Nolan are playing Xbox. So guys, this is
Why are you doing that?
this game
Why did you do that to me?
Oh,
Why did you do that to
Nolan
me?
just threw a guy.
I'm coming to you and throwing this at you because you just keep on doing that. I'm coming to get you with this guy. What do you need for a question?
I need your assistance escorting someone to the Jedi Temple. Representative Biggs from Naboo has arrived for a meeting with the Council. Keep him safe. You will find him waiting at the taxi rank.
Okay, so we need to go to the taxi rank.
So guys, this is all.
Taxi rank. I always see the taxi rank. Wait for me. Found it. See the taxi
Thanks
rank.
for watching.
Found the taxi
Don't
rank.
forget to subscribe and leave a comment.
Found the taxi rank.
Bye.